We interrupt this broadcast with an urgent update. Asteroid Vredefort, a potential extinction-level threat, is now confirmed to be on a direct collision course with Earth.
A multinational task force confirms the deployment of a last resort planetary defense system is underway. Details to follow.
This is the activation of the emergency alert system ever. National Aeronautics just bombed Vredefort asteroid. Shards of this celestial object is on trajectory towards Earth. First and largest shard is expected to hit Australia in 2 hours. This is the final alert ready ever. I will explain you why. National Aeronautics put a dynamic on the cosmic beast Vredefort. Shards of this large celestial object are on trajectory towards planet Earth. First and largest shards is expected to hit the Australian continent in 2 hours. This is BBC One with the final emergency broadcast. NASA just bombed the Vredefort asteroid, which was on trajectory to Earth. Thousands of large shards of this beast is on course to collision with us. In 2 hours, first and largest shard will hit the Australian continent. This is the final Australian emergency alert system from Australian government. Asteroid named Vredefort was bombed by National Aeronautics. Thousands of large shards are on course to hit the Earth. First and biggest shard will hit our county in approximately 2 hours. When this happens, all life on Earth will be eliminated and Earth will turn into a fireball. See you all on the other side.